Hey cruisers, we are heading over to Port Canaveral this afternoon to watch the sail away of the many ships that are leaving Port Canaveral. Here's our first ship on sail away, and this is the Carnival Glory. It is doing a 7-night sailing to the Eastern Caribbean with stops in Amber Cove and Grand Turk. This ship was built in 2003 and was refurbished last March of 2024. It did a 21-day dry dock, which is pretty extensive for a dry dock on an older ship. The ship is the Conquest class. We've personally sailed the Conquest a couple of times. It's a nice sized ship. Has a little bit of everything you want. And it sounds like the party has already started. Sounds like these people are about to enjoy a really nice 7-day Easter sailing. Being Easter, I bet that ship is to full capacity, which is 2,980 passengers when every bed on the ship is full. So the next ship coming into view is the Royal Caribbean Utopia of the Seas. This sailing, leaving this weekend, is a 7-night Eastern Caribbean, sailing with stops at St. Thomas and St. Martin, along with a couple others.